In primetime news this evening, still counting. Cops spent hours tallying cash seized in yesterday's anti-narcotics operation. Scamming paraphernalia seized as P-Step clamps down on streets of Montego Bay. And security breach at Cornwall Regional triggers call for hospital security overhaul. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Thanks for joining us. Also this evening, there's a business day, primetime sports commentary, E-Prime, and your weather report and forecast. And before all that, here is our feedback question. This evening we want to know, are you satisfied with the adjustments made to the upcoming CXC examinations? You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica or tweet at televisionjam1. Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.